Q8315. The braking action of a Cleveland disc brake is accomplished by compressing a rotating brake disc between two opposite brake linings. How is equal pressure on both sides of the rotating disc assured? A. By allowing the brake rotor to float to automatically equalize as pressure is applied to the rotor. B. By allowing the caliper to float to automatically equalize as pressure is applied to the rotor. C. By allowing the brake linings to automatically. The correct answer is B. The design of a Cleveland disc brake system incorporates a caliper that is free to move on the brake mounting brackets. As pressure is applied to the brake, the caliper moves inward and compresses the brake linings against the rotating brake disc. The caliper is designed to float so that it can move slightly in a direction perpendicular to the brake rotor. This movement allows the caliper to self-center on the rotor, ensuring equal pressure on both sides of the disc. This design allows the brake system to function efficiently and ensures even wear on the brake linings. Q8316. If it is determined that spongy brake action is not caused by air in the brake system, what is the next most likely cause? A. Worn brake lining. B. Internal leakage in the master cylinder. C. Deteriorated flexible hoses. The correct answer is C. Spongy brake action is a condition in which the brake pedal feels soft and does not provide a firm, solid feel. This can be caused by a number of things, including air in the brake system, worn brake linings, internal leakage in the master cylinder, and deteriorated flexible hoses. If it is determined that spongy brake action is not caused by air in the brake system, the next most likely cause is deteriorated flexible hoses. Flexible hoses are used to connect the brake lines to the brake calipers or wheel cylinders. Over time, these hoses can deteriorate and develop leaks. This can cause the brake pedal to feel soft and spongy. Q8317. Many brake types can be adapted to operate mechanically or hydraulically. Which type is not adaptable to mechanical operation? A. Single disc spot type. B. Single servo type. C. Expander tube type. The correct answer is C. Expander tube type brakes operate by hydraulic pressure being applied to a piston, which pushes a set of expandable tubes against the inner surface of the brake drum. The pressure of the tubes against the drum creates the braking force. This type of brake relies on hydraulic pressure to expand the tubes, and therefore cannot be adapted for mechanical operation. Q8318. A brake debooster valve is installed in systems where the high pressure of the hydraulic system, 3000 psi, is used to operate brakes. A. That are designed to work with lower pressure. B. That are used in conjunction with an anti-skid system. C. That are used on aircraft having high landing speeds. The correct answer is A. A brake debooster valve reduces the high pressure of the hydraulic system to a lower pressure that is appropriate for the brake system it is operating. This valve is typically used when the brakes are designed to work with lower pressure than the high pressure used in the hydraulic system. Q8319. A stripe or mark applied to a wheel rim and extending onto the sidewall of a tube-type tire is A. Slippage mark. B. Wheel-to-tire balance mark. C. Wheel weight reference mark. The correct answer is A. The slippage mark, which extends across the edge of the wheel and onto a tube-type tire, serves as an indicator of whether the tire has slipped on the wheel. If the slippage mark appears broken, it is recommended to remove the tire from the wheel in order to inspect the tube for any potential damage to the valve. This precaution ensures the overall safety and integrity of the tire assembly.